Hi. How the devil are we? Right, so we're here at our new project in Carshalton, and we're here for about 4 weeks, maybe a little bit longer. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing a series. We're going to be doing a series, just keeping everyone up to date with what we'll be doing, the progression each week. So every week you'll see what we've been doing, how we're getting on, and what we'll be doing week by week, stage by stage. It's going to be bloody crazy. I'm going to show you around our new project, which is in Surbiton. Right, so we're here at our new project in Carshalton, and right. Some of you probably recognise this fence, which I made a little joke about, and a lot of people bit on it. But yeah, we've already started. We've done a little weekend just to get the fence up for the clients. Let's turn this radio down. Bit of talk sport, early doors, lovely jubbly. Yeah, so basically we've started the fence. We haven't finished that cutting around the tree yet. It'll be better than that, I promise. We've just put these panels in just for the neighbours, but this side is going to be cedar batten. So we're going to attach 4x2s onto each concrete post, and then we're going to face it with cedar batten. We're going to Osmo oil each individual cedar slat as well, just so it protects it. So we'll do 3 coats on that, but I'll be doing another video on that as well. So cedar batten all around the left hand side and the return, and then the patio is coming out 4 metres square all the way across, and it's going to be exactly the same, matching up with these, which they look like timber, but it's actually porcelain. So it's like a timber look porcelain tile, which is quite nice. So it's going to be matching in with what they've got in in their extension. So that's 4 metres out return, and then this is all going to be grass, and also they're going to have irrigation system running underneath as well, with sprinklers and irrigation in the beds. This shed's coming down, and there's a shed base underneath, so we've got to rip all that out, and they're going to relocate the shed base in this corner. And then, yeah, this is all going to be new grass as well. The other thing we've got to do is we're going to be just doing some Indian sandstone just down the side passageway, just to neaten it up a little bit. So it's a bit ropey at the moment, so we'll sort that out. And that is that's the project. Stay tuned. We're right back. Welcome back to our Carshalton job. And the sun is shining again. Bit chilly though, so I've got the old schnood on. We can see we've been busy. Come through. Come on. Come on. Still need to blast this out. But we have basically cleared the whole garden. We've got a little bit to come out still, which is probably 3 or 4 ton. But we've got a muckaway coming today. So we're going to top that back up. And we're back to basically a blank canvas, which is good. So still got to work out there's a step going in here. So I've got to take this out, put a new foundation in for the new step, which is going to be wrapped around that way, and the same the other side. And then the patio is coming out 3.6 from the house. So we've got to dig out for that. So but some of the soil I'll probably re-spread across the garden, because we've got to build all the levels up. And then we're going to work, I've got to get the laser level out, so we're going to work out all the heights, all the levels. We're going to put a shed base in the corner. So we're going to probably do that today. Got the ballast coming, cement. So yeah, we are pushing on pretty well. Got the electrician coming round today. We're going to be putting lighting all up against the fence, for just where the battens are going, the cedar battens. And they're going to have power down by the shed as well. So pushing on pretty well. The old sun is shining, so can't complain. I'll keep you updated in the next one. Right there. I am it.